Hello, Jason97. See this wire right here? Originally I made like a long rant which I didn't want to make. It's JavaScript. But now I script this better as I practice. This line here, I taped it for safety issues. I have another safety issue, the EAS. And basically, and I'm talking on a video about the HDSC card protection, but I might not if I play videos about 10-minute long Sidemen. Like other videos doing like hammer things like me. Like independent radio, not ham, just ham like any other things like interested in radio. I have one other hits to this. Has the audio lines. That way, like if I get monthly tests like a weather warning. Sorry about the whole trying to fix this room. Basically, we're on that trim in the bar of tongue. All you want to do is for like, let's say you have like a private team radio station or community radio station, what people like to call them. This thing's very weak. It only goes like about like a mile. With that magnet antenna, like that antenna. I have another outdoor one that will push even further. As far as I don't think it would go that far. Down drying upstairs in the living room. Because the element broke off. It's not plastic. It was junk intended to buy on Amazon. So link to intend the channel. The link to intend the channel to figure that out. Basically what this does is playing some South from TV on tape. See?
He left his own troubles behind, all right.
See, yeah.
He was heading straight.
I turn it down because the dialect, appeared to like the dialect, of like old American. This was basically after the Civil War, during the Reconstruction era. A lot of people think, before Civil War, or during it, and they're having going to say, which is ridiculous because he has to tell a song that he do not do racism. It was the 1940s. I mean, come on. If you didn't know until like the 70s or 90s what they were doing was wrong. The bang of this studio like ridiculous. Like literally, I had to buy stuff off Europe. So I had to pay $400 for like a PAL VCR. Most of the VCR like record this onto a physical tape, so I could legally own it as a backup. Anyways, I'm gonna turn this volume up. First, I had to turn it down to copyright issues. It's gonna be part of maybe like 19 or 18 years, anyways. Like about 19 years, about like 19 years, 18 years gonna be probably close to 18 years now. I'll show you what this thing does. Yes, that put the emergency light. Just may press the button. Don't do that. Oh dear, getting long range. You could go to jail. But I'm just doing that, for educational purposes. That was it. Show you guys how you can do that. But hit to this port right here, the calling port. It's basically a sound, makes a sound thing on that thing. Hits you there. The external alert thing though, and to another port, this wire. This is why it is. I am bought this splitter at Walmart. My splitters for like $5 at Walmart. Cheap splitters. I've now listened to the mono audio of the mono tongue right there. See that? It's in there. But see, one sound port isn't, but this sound port isn't the right audio because they get another splitter for that. Because I have it hitched into the so this thing right here, another splitter, and then this is like a little cup. It's like into this thing we bought like Amazon for like $10, I think. Basically, the RCA to 2.5mm splitter. You also need to buy a couple that doesn't have a female end, but that's what that does. This runs all the way up here to that. The other thing runs like down here crossing was taped off to another safety reason. That's what I meant already, but I'm just going to mention it now. So I just sneeze. Hitches into this. So this thing right here. There's some spoiler right here. Spoiling the mic in. You see what's plugging the microphone in. It's inputting in there. And the sound output is inputting. And the microphone input is microphone. It says mic, but it's outputting. It's actually inputting. It doesn't say like mic is in, but that's out on there. And that's audio in. That goes on the audio in. That goes the audio out. Everything goes the microphone out. I guess it's a swap because the transmitter, but it's how they work. But these are called community radio stations, what these are called. If you serve like a news thing, if your community wanted to play a podcast, like if you want the airwaves, you could do this. I also have my own website where you just got basically like basically the fictional website. Once I get a new computer, a stupid rent way wanted to rent a center. They're a really stupid company because everything I've had usually broke like after right before the right after like half the payment was due. Yeah. It's ridiculous. See, the HP computer never buys HP computer, they're junk. Also, antenna mentioned those antennas are junk, like those ping bing ding, cheap antennas. I'm trying to never get those, but if you want, so like I said, click the link at the beginning when I said that to antenna channel. But I gotta try to put my phone on the charger in here real quick. Sorry, pause this kind of convenience. But yeah. But these people does allow me to get EAS tests like alert on a thing. I don't turn on like people you could go jail. Tell you like 4:30 people could hear that. My tend not go like more than a mile right now because like really small amount of people. So I could increase it by but like what I did like jerry rigging the wire. By basically adding the coax thing like right over here into a LTE filter so the sound man can interfere. I cross these two antennas over on this. It's not right. Yeah, that's why you probably wasn't probably right either, Mom. So it's two antennas are crossed, so that way, both that side and that side, even field that goes to the window, nothing goes to that, and then all this equipment. I got a taxi because I like weather. See, if it goes to that splitter right there, there's two extra ports. Mainly for an HSC radio. I mean, not HSC radio. Not a next thing, but like a 1.0 original digital standard thing that can broadcast digital TV. Like a 30 dB gain, like the Channel Master, the antenna man reviews. I'm not sponsoring this channel or anything, but if you want to look at the channel like 7 beginning in the video. Basically, you can basically watch the house like security cameras. Like this is used basically to watch security cameras and baby monitors. It was a broadcast stuff over there because of power. And the things are totally legal too. The broadcast like takes 15 milliwatts, I believe. Pretty sure the maximum is like about a tenth of a watt, like 100 milliwatts, like about a tenth of a watt. I think I'm pretty sure it goes up to about the same way, like a tenth of a watt. But the long one would go to 1 watt. It's not like too powerful like other ones.